Power steering pumps are pretty reliable on most cars. Generally, if a pump goes out, it's usually because there's a leak in the system somewhere. It might be a hose, it might be a power steering rack and pinion, but it continually gets run low on fluid and it just destroys the inside of the pump. But sometimes the pump will just be leaking also. Either way, I mean, it's just something, the whole integrity of your power steering system, because if you're driving down the road, you lose your power steering, it's very hard to steer that vehicle if you've ever had one go out on you. So if you're doing the regular maintenance and keeping an eye on that system and make sure if there's a leak that pops up here or there, then just fix that leak, and it's everything else will last a lot longer for it.